Hello friends, welcome to Easy Study channel. So today we will discuss about bubble shot. Okay. So what is bubble shot? That is given some elements. First, to take an array and store the elements 70, 30, 65, 88 and 10. And the name of array is suppose ARR 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in bubble shot algorithm, in every iteration we will compare with ARR 0 with ARR 1, ARR 1 with ARR 2 and so on. Okay. And if the first number is greater than the second number, then we will interchange. And there are n minus 1 iteration. Iteration will means pairs. So suppose in every iteration we will compare this. So there is n minus 1 iteration. Okay. So now let's understand how bubble shot is works. Okay. So first iteration 1. Iteration 1. At the limit 70, 30, 70, 30, 65, 88 and 10. So we will compare ARR 0 with ARR 1. This is ARR 0. ARR 0 with ARR 1. 70 greater than 30 is true. So it will interchange. So 30 will come first, 70, then 65, then 88, then 10. Next, we will compare ARR 1 with ARR 2. So 30, 65, 70 greater than 65 it's true. So it will interchange. So 65 will come first, then 70, 88 and 10. Next, we will compare ARR 2 with ARR 3. ARR 2 with ARR 3. So 70 greater than 88? No. So it will not interchange. So it will remain same. 30, 65, 70, 88, 10. In every iteration, we will compare n minus 1 times. So n is 5 because there is 5 elements and iteration number is 1. So n minus 1. So n minus 1 is 4. So it will 1, 2, 3, 4. It will compare n minus 1 times. Okay. So next 70 greater than 88. Now ARR 4 with ARR 3 with ARR 4 and 88 greater than 10. Yes, it's true. So it will interchange. But in the next iteration, we will interchange the value. So in the next iteration 2. So first 30, 65, 70, 10 will come first, then 80. Now let's see 88 is placed in its proper place. So in every iteration, the one by one element will be placed in its proper place. Okay. So now 30. Again we will compare ARR 0 with ARR 1. So 30 greater than 65. 30 greater than 65? No. So it will remain same. In this iteration we will compare n minus 2. So 5 minus 2 is 3. So there is 3 comparison. So next 65 with 70. So 65 greater than 70? No. So it will remain 65, 70, 10, 88. Next 70 with 10. So it will stop here because n minus 2 iteration is complete. Now next is iteration. Next is iteration 3. Iteration 3, so 30, 65, 10 with 70 will swap with 10, so 10, 70, then 80. Now let's see. 70 is placed in its proper place and 80 is already placed. So now there is 3. So n minus 3 times we will compare. So n minus 3 means 2 times. So 1 and 2. 2 times we will compare. Now ARR 0 with ARR 1. 30 greater than 65? No. So it will remain same. 65, 10, 70, 80. Okay. Now error 1 with error 2 65 greater than 10 is true, but we will interchange in the next iteration. So next is iteration 4. In iteration 4, 30, 65 will swap with 10, so 10 will come, then 65, then 70 and 88. Now 88, 70 is already sorted. Now 65 is sorted in this iteration. So there will be number comparison is n minus 4, means one time only. So 1. So we will compare only one times. 30 with 10, error 0 with error 1. So now it will stop here because there is only in bubble shot algorithm there is n minus 1 iteration will be possible. So n minus 1 means n is 5. N minus 1 means 5 minus 1 4 iteration. 4 iteration is completed. Now it will interchange it, and the result is it will after interchange the value is 30, 65, 70 and 80. This is the answer. Okay. That's how the bubble shot is works. Time complex the bubble shot is, in the best case the time complexity is big O of n, and the average and worst case the time complexity is big O of n square. So let's see the code. So there will be first for I equals to 1, I less than n and I plus n. There will be one loop start with 1 to n minus 1, and it will increase by 1. Next, this is for iteration. This is for iteration. Iteration will be n minus 1 iteration. So this is for iteration. Next, for I equals to, for j equals to 0 to j less than n minus I and j plus plus. Okay. If error j means error 0, error j is greater than error j plus 1, then we will interchange. So first take one variable tmp equals to error j, next error j equals to error j plus 1, and error j plus 1 will be So let's understand the code. Okay. So for I equals to 1 to I less than n means if n is 5, so it will iterate up to the 4. So for I equals to 1, so I is 1. It will come here, enter the loop. Next, there is another loop for j equals to 0 to j less than n minus 1, n minus I. So j is 0. Next, it will enter into the loop if error j greater than error j plus 1. Error j means error 0. Error 0 is 70. So 70 greater than error j plus 1. Error j plus 1 means error 1. 70 greater than 30. If it is true, so 70 greater than 30, it's true. So it will come enter into the if condition. So TMP equals to error j. Error j is 70, and actually we will swap the error j and error j plus 1. So we'll first, this is the swapping condition. TMP equals to error j. TMP is 70. Error j means error 1. So error 1 will be error j plus 1. Error 1, so it will change the value with error j plus 1. Error j plus 1 value is, sorry, error j means error j is 0, so error j is this position. It will comes error j plus 1. Error j equals to error j plus 1. Error j plus 1 is error 1, so error 1 is 30, so 30 will come here. Next, error j plus 1, j is 0, so error j plus 1 means error 1, means this position will be TMP. So TMP equals to 70, so 70 will come here. Okay, now again it will come here, j will be 1, and if j less than n minus I, n is 5, so n is 5, 5 minus 1 is 4, so it is j less than 4, 1 less than 4, it's true, so it will again come to the loop, error j greater than error j plus 1, error j is error 1 is 70, 70 greater than error j plus 1, 70 greater than 65, it's true, so it will again swap, so TMP will be error j is means error 1 is 70, so TMP will be 70. Next, error j is error j means 1, so error 1, this position will be error j plus 1. Error j plus 1 value is 65, so 65 will come here. And error j plus 1, error j is 1, so error j plus 1 is error 2, so error 2 will be TMP, so TMP is 70, so 70 will come here. Okay, now again j will be 2 less than 4, true, so it will check error j greater than error j plus 1, error j is 2, error 2 is 70, 70 greater than 88, no, so it will not enter into the if condition. So now next j value will be 3, so 3 less than 4, n minus I means 5 minus 1 4, so 3 less than 4, yes, so it will enter into the loop, error j is greater than error j plus 1, error j is 30, error j means 3, so error 3 is 88 greater than error j plus 1, error j plus 1 is 4, so 88 greater than 4, it's true, so it will swap, interchange, so TMP, the value of TMP will be error j means error 3 is 88, so TMP will be 88, and error 3 will be error j plus 1, error j plus 1 value is 10, so 10 will come here, and error j plus 1 is 4, so error j plus 1 will be TMP is 88. Okay, now it will again check, j will be 4, j less than n minus I, 4 less than 4, no, it's false, so it will exit from the loop and it will come to this loop. So now I will be increased, so I will be increased 1 to 2, so it will again enter into this loop, so j equals to 0 means, so j is 0, and j less than n minus I, so j less than n is 5 minus I is 2, 5 minus 2 is 3, so j is now j is 0, now j is 0, so j less than n minus I, j less than 3, 0 less than 3, true, so it will enter into the loop, error j greater than error j plus 1, error j is means error 0 is 30 greater than error j plus 1, error j plus 1 is 1, 30 greater than 65, no, so it will not enter into the if condition, it will j will be now 1 less than 3, true, so error j is 65 greater than error j plus 1 is 70, no, so it will j value will be 2, it will again enter into the loop, error 2 is 70 greater than 10, yes, it's true, so TMP will be error j ARR J is 70 and ARR J means J is 2. So this position ARR J will be ARR J plus 1. ARR J plus 1 is 10. The value of ARR J plus 1 is 10. So 10 will come to the ARR J. Next, ARR J plus 1 equals to TMP. ARR J plus 1 is this position is TMP. TMP is 70. 70 will come here. Next, J equals to 3. 3 less than 3? No. So it will stop here and it will exit from the loop. Now I will be 2 to 3. Previous the value of I is 2. Now it will be increased by 1 and now the value is 3. Next, for J equals to 0, so J will be again, J value is 0. If ARR J greater than ARR J plus 1 and the condition is J less than n minus I, n is 5 and I value is 3. So 5 minus 3 is 2. So 0 less than true, it's true. So to enter into the loop, ARR J is ARR 0 means 30. 30 greater than ARR J plus 1, 30 greater than 65. False. So do not enter. Next, J equals to 1 less than true, true. ARR J 65. 65 greater than 10. It's true. So it will interchange. So TMP will be ARR J. ARR J is 1. So ARR 1 is 65. So TMP will be 65. And ARR J position, J is 1. So it means this position will be value is come ARR J plus 1. ARR J plus 1 means ARR 2 means 10. So 10 will come here and ARR J plus 1 will be TMP. ARR J plus 1 means this position. So ARR J plus 1 will be TMP is 65. So 65 is come here. So now there is 30, 10, 65, 70, 88, 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the new array. Next, so J will be increased now. So J will be 2 less than true, false. So it will exit, and now I will be 4, and 4 less than n is 5. N is 5. So 4 less than 5 is true. So it will enter into the that loop. J equals to 0. Now again the value of J is 0 and 0 less than n minus I. N is 5. I is 4. 5 minus 4 equals to 1. So 0 less than 1 is true. So it will enter into the loop. If ARR J is ARR 0. ARR 0 value is 30. Okay. ARR 0 value is 30 greater than ARR J plus 1. ARR J plus 1 is 0 plus 1. ARR 1 means 10. So 30 greater than 10, it's true. So it will interchange. So the TMP value will be ARR J is ARR 0 means 30. So TMP equals to 30. Now ARR J means ARR 0 position. This position will be, the value will come ARR J plus 1. ARR J plus 1 is 10. So 10 will come into this position. And now ARR J plus 1 means this position equals to TMP. TMP is 30. So 30 will come here. Next, again it will check. J value will be 1. 1 less than 1. 1 less than 1, it's false. So it will exit from that loop and I will be increased. So I is 5 and n is 5. I less than n. I is 5 and n is also 5. So 5 less than 5 is false. So it will exit from that loop and now it will stop. So see, it is all sorted. So 10, 30, 65, 70 and 80. And now in the array. So that's how the bubble chart is works. I hope you understand that. If this video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel.